I have water that runs in the basement at certain times, comes out of this pipe. Some months it's dry as can be, other times it comes out at a pretty good pace. I just put in this bilge pump. That's what just came on. It's powered off this new marine battery that I bought for like $100. The bilge pump was $30. I just stuck a fuse in here, 7.5 amp fuse, and just used a couple wire connectors. So it's a fused bilge pump. The reason I put that in is because the blue one in the back is electric, and if the power went out for any kind of extended period of time with this water coming in at 50 gallons an hour, that could be catastrophic for me. So this way, if the power went out or if that pump finally quits one day, at least I have some kind of backup. So let's watch this bilge come on one more time. It pumps out fast. 1,100 gallons per hour. And it only runs for like 5 seconds. Watch, we'll see. So now I'm going to turn the power back on. I've got that battery on a maintainer here. Now listen, the blue pump kicked in and it's going to suck the water down. So the idea is that the 12 volt bilge pump won't ever come on unless the blue pump fails. See how low the level of the water is now? Down here right at the bottom of the pump. I have that sitting on a plate. Obviously it's pretty simple to adjust where the bilge pump sits. Just put it on a brick or whatever you got that's the right height. This is just a bilge pump off of that you'd get if you had a boat or something like that. I bought it on Amazon. So the bilge hasn't come on and neither has the electric pump. Watch, that electric's going to kick on now. Hear that? Beautiful.